Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So you guys, today I'm going to bring you a video. It's kind of like a midweek tidy up with me. The house isn't dirty, but you know, we still can tidy up some. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get to it. So if you guys watched my last Clean Me video, you know I like to add baking soda to the bottom of my dishwasher before I start it. And then you're going to see me take some white vinegar in a cup and kind of spread it along the bottom of my dishwasher. It bubbles up. It kind of kills every scent that's in there because the dishes has been sitting in there. And then once the dishwasher is done, it smells so fresh, so clean. So it just keeps the dishwasher smelling clean and smelling fresh at all times because y'all, I don't like no nasty smells. Okay, I can't be the only one. It seems like mail just seems to just pile up right wherever the entrance of you enter your home. Tell me guys, how do you keep you guys' mail like together so that it's just not piling up in one spot? If you have like a great organizational way, leave it in the comment section down below.
We got much more to do while we start meditating. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girls tonight. We're gonna take that load up, yeah, the heart to heart. Hey, yeah. We're gonna have one or two or three bottles of wine. Yeah.
Alright, so I had just came back from out of town, so everything in this bag is like my dirty clothes from that week when I was out of town at that hotel. So I usually just keep it in the laundry bag, and when I get home I just throw it in the laundry room. So I'm just gonna separate my clothes here before I begin to wash them. You guys, this is only a week worth of clothes for us. It's crazy. Do you guys accumulate this much laundry in 1 week? Let me know in the comment section below, or is it just us? Alright, so I'm just going to take some antibacterial wipes and I'm going to clean out our laundry basket. I don't know why I do this, but in my mind, because our dirty clothes is in there, I like to clean it out to make sure like it's no bacteria. Because think, just dirty clothes been sitting in this basket. And then when I finish washing, I'm going to put my clean clothes in there. So I just like to take a clean wipe, antibacterial wipe, just to wipe it off. Kill everything that's in there, make sure it's nice and fresh and clean before I put my new clothes. Also, I'm getting ready. When we come in, we just put our shoes right here in the laundry room. So I'm just going to spray them with Lysol before I take them back to the bedroom and put them in their shoe racks. And also, as you see, I need to sweep in here too. Now this room isn't dirty because we haven't been eating in here because we've been out of town. So I'm just going to take some furniture polish. I'm just going to spray the table down just because it's a little dusty. So like I said, this room's not clean. I just want to wipe the table down just to get all the dust and everything off of it.
change who you are, honey. You'll find, fine. All mothers and queens, all women with dreams. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girl tonight. We're gonna shake that load up, yeah, heart to heart. Yeah, we're gonna have one or two or three bottles of wine. The night is up, but the moon is bright. We're gonna dance till we feel right. We're gonna have that girl talk. Start feeling like you're not good enough.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to grow this channel and I can't do it without you. So until next time, I'll see you later.